In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Glovo ID in Spain in 2025 so you can start ordering food, groceries, and other services right from your phone. This process is simple, free, and works on both iPhone and Android. Start by downloading the Glovo app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked to enter some basic information like your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure your phone number is Spanish, as it will be used for verification. Next, Glovo will send you a one-time verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to confirm your number. This step ensures your account is secure and linked to you personally. After verifying your number, you'll create a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, as this will protect your account. You can also link your Google or Apple account to sign in faster in the future. Finally, set your preferred delivery address. This ensures your Glovo ID is ready to start ordering right away. You can also upload a profile picture and add payment methods like a credit card or PayPal for a smoother checkout experience. Once your Glovo ID is set up, you can browse nearby restaurants, stores, and services. Orders, promotions, and rewards will all be tied to your new ID, making your experience seamless. And that's it. You've successfully created a Glovo ID in Spain. Thank you for watching this video.